Do you want to transfer your WhatsApp from one phone number to another with chat backup? If your answer is yes, don't worry. Here's the step-by-step guide on how you can transfer or change your WhatsApp number on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Step 1. Create a backup on your old phone. Open WhatsApp, tap on Settings. After tapping on Settings, tap on Chats. Here you can see the chat backup option. Tap on it. Then tap on the backup now. Wait a second, it started to back up your chats. After completing that, follow the next step. Step 2. Change your phone number. Open WhatsApp, tap on Settings. After that, tap on Account and tap on the Change Number option. Then tap on Next. Now enter your old number and new phone number with the country code and tap on the Next. And now enable the Notify Contact option and tap on Done. Now you will receive a verification code via SMS or phone calls to your new phone number. Enter the verification code on your old phone and tap Next to confirm the change. After that, follow the next step. Step 3. Install WhatsApp and verify WhatsApp on your new phone. Open the App Store, search WhatsApp, and tap on Install. Now open the WhatsApp app. After that, enter your phone number and verify your identity. When you are asked to restore your chat history, simply tap on Restore Chat History and your chats will be restored. So, this is how you can transfer your WhatsApp phone number from one to another. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.